the first thing gurus क्या बोलते हैं? Gurus बोलते हैं first thing when you open an account, make sure that your ICP is there, make sure the target audience, select your gender, select the region.
मेरा
क्या
कैप्शन
है?
देखा है क्या?
हाँ, तुम्हारा कैप्शन 100 by 1 million ये क्या है? नहीं, no, sorry, your
बायो इज मेरा पर्सनल
हाँ,
गोल, वो
वो क्या है?
छोड़ो।
100 by 1 million.
वो मेरा पर्सनल गोल्स है वो, बट सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड में मेरे को सर्टेन चीज अचीव करने का है, बट वो अलग छोड़ दो। इफ आई अपलोड अ वीडियो, देयर इज नो हैशटैग्स, नो कैप्शंस, नो नथिंग ऑन दैट, because it doesn't matter. If your video is good, no, it doesn't need anything. If your video is trash, you put all the hashtags and captions and gender and timing and everything and it'll still not work.
नहीं अभी वो I think even the hashtags and all are now
So
they don't
Instagram,
work anymore.
it's used for searchability. Before, back in the day when search was hashtags would allow you to look for certain topics, but other than that they don't help you with reach. It is a TikTok thing. It's not an Instagram thing.
But I think keywords, I mean, before those keywords were like, now all those keywords become so common that वहाँ पे, I mean, you'll still rank up at maybe 50th page. क्योंकि बहुत common हो गया है वो hashtags. So I think what I learned from this is that just keep it raw, bro.
Keep it real. Keep
Keep
it
it
raw,
real
format
and
one.
stop getting into this formatting and stuff.
No, see, there is design. Don't get me wrong. There's a carefully made design. Like even the millions I showed you, they could take. You know how I showed you that 30,000 to 2 million and then next 700. They thought they could replicate it.
तो
But
format क्या है?
वो you have to sit with Shaf.
Now I gave you an example of Plan My Firm as a co-working place. Just randomly. मतलब just
Can I tell you the real format?
Hmm.
If you came to me as a client, I need 20 days to create an IP for you where we do at least 10 shoots. After that, we'll be able to tell you what is the format. That's how much time it takes for us to curate one format with a team of 10 people thinking about it. That's why the first videos do.
Yeah.
Then from that is when the production starts. So our policies, you come in, you have 20 days. After 20 days, if it's not, you don't like it, take a refund, go back. If you like it, continue.
You met clients who have done this, who have come, who paid you, and उसका click नहीं हुआ है?
It has happened.
It has happened.
So it's a double-edged sword. Okay, so if it works in hundreds of thousands. So we get 8 out of 10. Though don't work. Usme bhi we have figured out the ones who really work versus who don't work. So ones who really work, like for example, all of these other clients which I can't name because, by the way, we are the only company whose agency in Dubai or India, I can tell you, that you will never see our footprint on our content pages. What that means is like everybody has a style.
Correct.
Like if you see their videos, like ये company ने बनाया.
Correct.
You cannot tell HOS ने बनाया. It's impossible because we do all styles, all formats depending on who requires it.
You have a strong research team then.
Very strong. Very strong.
Domain उठा लेते, you check the domain and then you start making content around the domain. Of course, I met your co-founders also. Imad, how smart है वो तो content writer है. He's seen my first ad and he says that Peter, just remove everything out. He said, why you've put why you go and read the policy of Instagram, and he says you'll know something, that there are so many of words that you have used are all plagiarism. वो निकाल दो तब जाके ये ad perform करेगा. And it has really shocked me, and then I got my campaign girl and I told her, you need to change this. And from there the leads.
Bro, if I tell you what ROAS I get on my ads, no, you'll lose your mind. We get in like hundreds X or some bullshit like that is our numbers. Like my cost per lead is like 2 dirhams or 1 dirham.
My God.
What's crazy? No.
I mean, literally, you guys have cracked the code. And of course, you are a bunch of smart guys.
We do only one thing. We don't do anything else and at one price. We don't have any other offer. We do video content for social media for 20,000 dirhams.
That's it.
जो करना है करो, इससे ज़्यादा हम लोग कुछ नहीं करते. Ad one.
यहाँ पे click. If it doesn't work here, then you get a refund or what?
So we have, so I'll tell you what it is. We figured out दो टाइप के क्लाइंट्स होते हैं जनरली, ठीक है.
Guaranteed
Now we
success.
have
There's a
figured.
thing called guaranteed success, right? But I mean, somewhat.
No,
even
I'll
if
tell you what it
80%
is.
if it
I'll tell you
works
what
also,
it
it's
is.
still.
I'll tell you what it is. I'll be very frank. मैं बहुत सीधा इंसान हूँ. मैं मुंह पे बोल देगा. Crazy. मेरा sales dipping right here. Okay.
नहीं, नहीं, see.
No, but I'll tell you. So it really comes down to a few things. Number one, companies come to us with. I'll tell you who we have failed. Brand guidelines. Every time a company has come to us like, bro,
ये अपना brand line है.
ये हमारा कोर कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर ब्रांड गाइडलाइंस जिस कंपनी ने घुसाया है ना, वो कंपनी हमारे तरफ से पास नहीं हुआ है. वी फेल्ड देयर. So we have stopped taking on those clients only now. We have a hard, like the 20-day period, we will give the money back and we say go.
So brand book लेके मत
हाँ,
आओ भाई.
so
अंदर
if you
just come straight.
If you come with the brand book, I can't give you a guarantee. We'll make your content. There are companies who are happy with that, by the way. There are companies who are like, ठीक है bro, no
फर्क नहीं
problem.
पड़ता यार.
हमको खाली ये चाहिए. You make good content, you do it, but just stick to our brand guidelines. No problem, cool. But our thing is, you let us do what we do. Within the first 9 videos, it is working or not working. If it doesn't work, we stop posting, go back to the books, rework, go to the next iteration. By second iteration, we have like a very good success rate, like 80-90% success rate. Within 3 months, if you're not hitting million, we will continue to do it free of cost as long as it takes for you to hit that.
See, this is the difference. This is the difference. This is the difference where the man knows what he's doing.
हाँ, तो उतना है, simple है हमारा. Then we have like ads and things like that, which has nothing to do with. So for example, there are some campaigns we have done for Brands for Less. We have done like Ramzan campaign, हमने ad shoot कर दिया. Couple of big brands from, like, I don't like disclosing those names because
Yeah, it's fine.
Problematic for different reasons. We have a fair chunk of large brands that we operate with. तो वो चलता रहता है, वो ads होता है, वो larger budgets होता है, that starts from 50,000 all the way to 500,000 dirhams one single video.
So there are two type of clients who will come to you. One client will be, यार मुझे views चाहिए, and they want to have the maximum reach. And there are some maybe who are selling the products online or who are trying to position the product very actively ताकि move them to the page where the transaction can happen.
Both are
दोनों का strategy same है कि same?
दोनों same ही है ना?
दोनों same ही है.
Because once you get views, that's the only way you can move people to
Transact.
buy from you. If you don't have views, कैसे करोगे? तो
strategy भी बहुत clear, product very
every company is different, every product. Like for example, we did something recently for an air duct cleaning company. वो पागल हो गया. वो पहले first month, so we don't have a month, like we don't have 12-month contract, 6 months contract, 3-month contract, nothing. We're like, तुमको पसंद है रहो, नहीं जाओ, no problem. Like however long you want to fucking do. Within the first month, he had 20 million views. He stopped the service because that was too much for him.
What are you talking?
Air duct cleaning company, ASMR videos बनाते हैं हम लोग.
And when he had this views, business started coming.
It came from everywhere. He couldn't manage it. I don't know. He's like, नहीं मेरे को, I'm happy with 5,000, 6,000 views. What rubbish. I'm not joking. I'm saying, wait, hold on. I'll show you.
Someone who was growing said, no, I don't want to, just let me be the same. I don't want to grow more.
This was the 4th video. One second, hold on. This was the 3rd video of his page.
15 million
views. 3rd video. So it's by design.
Your team is literally smashing it.
हाँ, so it's by design. Problem क्या हो गया था? That became like he was like, oh, but you know, I want Dubai audience. I'm like, तुम्हारा पूरा cumulative Dubai audience is 3 million people. मैं क्या करूँ अभी? मैं limit करूँ? How do I limit organic content?